minutes really.
Kuya, pressure.
Hello.
We are the group mates.
At the MG, hello. In the middle of nowhere.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. In the middle of nowhere.
In the middle of... Hello? Hello? Ito yung sasakyan namin na. Tapos 24 kami.
Even speed and direction.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay to go up?
Yeah, it's okay. We will try.
We will try. What do you mean? What do you mean we will try?
Yes or no?
No, we will go. We will go.
Okay.
My name is Tariq. I'm going to park for today flight. We have landing position. Everybody fit to stand up for 1 hour and this landing position. Hold both hands free. Bend your knees. Hold the rope like this. And relax your back to the parts of the basket. Everybody can see that movement.
Yeah.
Okay.
How's the landing position?
Put your hands in front, hold the bar, and then relax your back. And then focus the contraction. You can put your hands here. And then put your back. Get a little lower.
So Ate Gemma, anong pangalan niya?
This is
Kiss! 5 seconds.
bird.
You're scared to pet the bird.
Okay. Other side.
Okay, serve me sexy. Serve me, I want the bird. Serve me, I love birds.
Oh!
Position, everybody.
You marry me, this will all be yours.
Where?
All the sun.
Just the sand. That's the property.
Yes, that's the sun.
Not the land. Kiss! 5.
Pag ako nakagat nito.
You're landing! Yay! Ayun na yung camel. Ayun na yung camel. Ayan! Camel. Caramel. I'ma call you Camel. I'ma call you Caramel. Wait, what will I expect? Side to side.
The unexpected.
Whoa! Saya, Zeddy!
If you look at your right, you'll see the people.
Ang gulo.
Stop the camel.
Stop now!
Hello? Hello?
Pupunta na sa Binyaga mga ninang, on the way!
On the way.
Ay, hi, friends!
Until ay nagkaroon ka.
Nagkaroon ka ng anak! Ay, tawag happy family! Thank you, Camel!
Maganda yung
combination. Ibang lahi.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
I converse no.
What is money? Paper only, no problem. You deserve it, guys. Go spend it all. No. Bye, bye.
Ay, hindi pa. We're done.
See you ulit, kabayan. Hello! Kamusta mga kabayan?
Na.
Nag-shopping ka naman ng mga kabayan. Kabayo.
Uy, pang pasalubong.
Yes, last day in Dubai.
Good morning, yes. Wow, so hot.
Pang business class kasi yung suot ko.
Oh, me too.
Pero yung ugali natin pang...
Pang economy. Ganun kami
Sabi siya pang business class yung bayad, pero yung ugali pang ano eh. Tagal naman. Hindi ko mabibilis siya.
Pakibilisan nga.
Parang mali, dapat pa-atras pala.
O sige, ulit. Inside the mall.
Yeah! A big aquarium! So big!
So big! Kanina pa kami dito, nakagala kami ni Kotker. Grabe! Outfit won't stop me from hitting the eyes.
Every time sinasabi mong kaya mo na may nangyayari sa'yo.
Ayoko na. Sabi ko pa, with my outfit, nothing can stop me. Pero ayoko na. Attorney, meron pong binili si Bok. Sobrang ganda na Under Armour. Tignan niyo po. Ay, sabay ko! Sabay kuha. Wow, wow.
Thank you. Thank you, Sadie, for buying me perfume.
Hello? Line ng mga tao dito.
Handman, don't break my heart, darling. 1 minute off.
Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Please, darling. Hello, Ate Ellen, Ate Gemma. Hanapin mo, te. Bumili mo sa... Oh my God. Coach King, masyado ka namang seryoso.
Yeah, hello. Yeah.
See you guys in Manila.